Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be doing the Care Bear nails from the last video because I really liked how they looked, so I wanted to try them out. So I did already give my nails a quick fill, and then I also painted the French tips because I figured that that wouldn't be super interesting to watch because I already did my first two videos. I did do French nails. I figured that I would skip that part and just do the two accented nails on each hand on camera. So we'll try that out. I will switch to this view. I already did the French tips and I also already did just the base coat, and I put a matte top coat on top of the two accent middle nails because a lot of people actually do put matte coat down on top first because they say it's easier to paint over top of it, like draw on top of it. I think it's because the matte kind of doesn't let the brush slide as much as the shiny top coat. So we're gonna try that out today. But instead of doing blue on the thumbs, I actually did purple just because I thought it would match better with the purple Care Bear. And then I just made these. I made actually all these colors. So here's my really messy palette. So for this light purple, I just took this color by McCart and I mixed it with just a little bit of white. And then for the yellow, I used the same brand. I used the McCart yellow, and then I also mixed this with white. For my pink, I mixed white with this hot pink color. I love this hot pink, it's really pretty. So those are my three colors that I used, and I will be using them for the Care Bear. I am going to put this right in front of me. Usually how I start with doing characters or anything like this, so I just really work in shapes and then I add in all the little. I'm gonna take a big dotting tool and pick up purple. The audio on all these clips have a lot of background noise, so I just decided to take it out completely, and I'm gonna do a voiceover. I just wanted to say that when I cut to different clips, it's usually because I'm curing in between different layers and before doing the next step. So for this one, I'm doing the purple background layer, and then I cure that, and then I put on the white details, and I do the same for pretty much every step in between. I would definitely recommend curing the lines in between, because if I did mess up this line right now, which let's hope I don't. You know what, now that I said that, I'm gonna mess it up. So I'm gonna cure that just in case I do mess up a line, I can wipe it away and not wipe off all the lines. Okay, so now I'm just moving on to doing my right hand. I did skip over a few different steps just because I already have shown it in the previous clips of doing my other hand, and it's basically this exact same design. So I just didn't want it to become too repetitive, but I did include quite a bit of me doing my other hand. Okay, so that's the nails all complete. Sorry about the lighting. I usually film, the past two videos that I've filmed have been during the daytime, so the natural light usually comes in, but right now I'm using two lights right now, so I'm trying to make it work. But these nails took a while because I gave myself a fill. It is now 8 o'clock and I've been in here since, gosh, like probably 3 or 4 maybe. So anyways, these nails are finally done. I really liked how they turned out, and I didn't know if I was gonna like the matte top coat, but I did end up liking it. But yeah, so my left hand definitely took a lot longer, and instead of doing, like on this hand I put love you XOXO kiss, I just did XO for all of them because I can't write that small with my left hand. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, I think. Glad I did these. I'm not really too sure what I'm gonna do next for an upcoming video. I have a couple ideas, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.